In this video, I want you to learn from my mistake. Today, I just lost more than $100 on $10,000 account. I want you to listen carefully in this video so that you should have not repeat my mistake. Guys, before we get started, as usual, I'm Alex, your technical analyst from FundYourFX, and let's go straight to the chart. What is the problem here? What is my trade mistake that cost me $100, more than $100 in today trade? So I entered the dollar yen, I think on 11th of August. Yes, 11th of August. I entered on 11th of August, so it was 3 days ago. I entered on here, okay. If I really see that the price really makes a rejection at around the demand zone, which is at around here. This is the demand zone that I have plotted, and I have waited that the price should have rejected at around this zone, and it really rejected at around that zone, which is right here. This is the rejection. Then, as usual, I move down my entry time frame to 30 minutes time frame to see a trend alignment. Does the trend already align like in the 4-hour chart? That is the bullish phase or bullish structure, and I waited and waited because the price makes a very long, quite long sideways momentum on 30-minute time frame, and it takes about, I think, 2 days. I waited 2 days for this setup. Okay, and I look here. Let me draw it for you. This one. Okay. Is the high. The price haven't made the change of character or the behavior change yet, so I have waited, and then this is the change of character or the behavior change has happened when this lower trough, the lower peak, has been break by the new higher peak right here. So I waited for the price to reject or make a pullback on the previous demand zone, which is at around here, and at around here I start to wait for my entry. My entry is the valid rejection at this zone, which is right here. I entered on this candle right here. Okay, after I entered, then I plot my stop loss to the previous low, which is right here. Which is right there. This is my previous low, and I plot my stop loss around there. Then this is where my mistake is. I forgot to plot a potential supply or potential key turnover on the 4-hour chart, which is here. This very big candle, red candle, is the unfilled order zone or the fair value gap. The right one is fair value gap, not the unfilled order. Okay, this one is fair value gap right here. This big red candle. I should have drawn like this, like that. Okay, so when the price start entering this zone, it show very volatile big red candle right here. My second mistake is after the price climbed to my upside momentum to this take profit zone right around here, and the price seems like rejecting at around the fair value gap, I should have moved to break even point, but I didn't. This is why the second mistake is so critical. If your pair that you trade have moved 1-to-1 to your risk, maybe your risk is 50 pips and your profit has been on the 50 pips, so you have to plot the break-even point right away. Why? Because if the price failed, so you do not lose anything, maybe some swaps or some fee, but nothing much than your capital gain. Okay, then that's my second mistake. My third mistake, after I see that there is a price, the price makes, let me delete this first. after the price seems like it creates a harami candle right here or inside bar, I have the confidence that the price will likely to continue because it was the bullish harami candle. But I forgot that on the 30 minutes time frame right here, which is right around here, the price already failed to create another high. This is my last mistake. I should have cut right around here and then, well, not taking my loss, or maybe just 20 pips on the profit. But that's okay, rather than $100 loss is about 50 pips on loss, where I should have taken 20 pips win rather than 50 pips loss. Okay, that's why. But you may ask how we as a trader face this kind of loss. First one is you have to have this kind of paper. I've used this. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to face it toward the camera. So basically, this paper says that it was my trading log. It has dates, fundamentals. Fundamental is for the macroeconomics that will happen in my trade, and trading checklist. My trading checklist, which has its form of valid swing at the major trend. Does it have clear structure? Is there any momentum left, either at the middle band or near oversold or overbought level, and blah blah blah. Okay. And for technical, I have the pair, trend, momentum, price action, pattern, entry price, stop loss, take profit, entry time. Time is for astrology because I was an astrology trader, and entry status. When psychology, when entering the trade, confident, normal, or anxious. Result log, what happened, and conclusion at the bottom. With the trading log, you can monitor whether you lost or whether you win this trade, and you can learn if you win, and you of course can learn when you lost. This is very important. If you are a trader and you haven't writing in your trading on or in your paper, you doesn't have the paper report for your trading log, well, you should have quit trading right now, because it was very important. Even if you are trading based on the bank, if you're trading on JP Morgan, on the Citi, on HSBC, maybe you're trading on Duce, it's going to be, you have to have this kind of paper because it was your trading log, so that your boss can see what went wrong, what went right, and you can see what the strategy best for you. This is why as a trader you have to have this kind of paper. If I do not have this kind of paper, I do not know what will happen in my next strategy. Does my strategy is right or wrong? I don't know, because I don't know what is wrong, what is right based on my last trade. So this is very important for you to have trading log. Okay. So guys, I think that's pretty much it for today. That's my stop loss. I took the loss is more than $100. Well, it was a bad day, of course, but we as a trader have many more opportunity in the market in the next couple of days. We should have been entered based on our greed and our fear. If we enter based on our greed and our fear, and based on our stupidity, we are going to get another loss. So be patient, wait your perfect setup. Do not push. If you are getting bored, do not enter the market or you will take your losses. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment in this video and in this YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow our Instagram and TikTok and also our X, so you can get notified if I made this kind of video. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.